How to fix Xbox app error 0x8007112A in Windows. 1. Update Windows. 2. Update relevant drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Repair Windows Store and Xbox application. Command, get apps package for each apps package disable development mode register $_install location, \appxmanifest.xml. Plan B, netstop bits netstop browser netstop apis netstop cryptsvc del %alicers profile %application data /Microsoft /network /downloader /render %system root %software netshare winsock reset proxy netstart bits netstart browser netstart apis netstart cryptsvc4. Update the Xbox app 5. Repair the Xbox. App 6. Adjust the region settings.